Hi, and welcome to Legends, Smelting, and Recycling. I'm Connor Goodwin, your host for our news series, conveniently titled, Cats with Connor. I am excited to be your guide on this journey. As someone who has spent 5 years in the metals recycling industry, you could certainly call me a cat guy or a converter nerd, but beyond my own passion for this industry, I am also devoted to helping our viewers and customers make informed decisions when it comes to buying and selling catalytic converters. Too often, people feel like they are being taken advantage of or are unaware of what they are getting into. That's why we're here, to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in this competitive industry. Let's explore the art and science of catalytic converters together.
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 Juntos.
Together.